Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare Care Supreme vs Niva Bupa Aspire, which is better. Start by checking plan coverages and exclusions. I'll walk through premiums, some insured options, network hospitals, and common exclusions in plain language. I'll highlight claim turnaround, copay requirements, and portability rules so you can judge real value. Listen for which features suit family or individual needs and how out-of-pocket costs may change your decision. Compare total cost realistically and don't focus only on the cheapest premium. Consider deductibles, copays, and sublimits that raise your out-of-pocket expense during a claim. Check how premiums grow with age and whether family floater or individual, sum insured, fits your needs. I'll explain how to match expected healthcare use to plan costs so you avoid surprise bills while keeping affordable protection. Quick recommendation time. If you pack lunches around hospital visits or busy days, the leak-proof meal prep containers are a handy, durable choice that keep food fresh and prevent spills. They stack well, fit most bags, and save money compared to takeout. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like so I can keep making comparisons. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Claims experience can be the deciding factor, so prioritize insurers with fast claim settlements and transparent rejection reasons. I'll describe common pitfalls like missing documentation, waiting periods for pre-existing conditions, and sublimits that trigger denials. Learn to keep records, follow insurer checklists, and escalate through grievance channels if needed. Practical tips here will help you reduce stress when you need medical care most.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.